Hello, today I would like to show you our new product, Knife Maker's Vise. I think it's the best vise on the market today. It comes in three parts and in two sizes. This is their largest, the biggest vise. It can be opened up to almost 2 inches, so it can accommodate any handle, and this plate can be removed so it can be opened even wider. So there are two positions. We can put it here vertically and it rotates in this direction and in this direction. So when we put a knife in, it stays pretty firm. But it's very convenient to work, to do like file work on the blade, engraving, etc. Or we can add the third axle, and so it rotates this way, and this way. And this is very handy when you do handle work, shaping, sanding. Let's see. The jaws have protective rubber liners. When you can rotate your vise with just 2 fingers, and the knife still is very stable in the vise. It's very convenient to work with. So and this is our smaller version. The same idea, same principle. Also it can be mounted this way, so like you can rotate this way and this way, and see. And also it has, this can be added. quite stable, you know. Both of these vises are available on our website, www.swanlakeknives.com. Just go on the site and click tools and you will see them. Thank you and have a great day.